Are you preparing for a mediation or trial? Are you spending countless hours of your valuable time sorting through photos, x-rays, depositions, medical records, and other documents? Is it sometimes difficult to find your best evidence to deliver strong messages and settle your cases in the early stages? Since 1990, CVT Marketing has been producing high-quality and concise video mediation summaries that have aided in the settlement of 70 to 80% of our cases.
When manufacturers fail to tell the truth or purposely neglect to report safety data and people lose their lives, severe penalties must result.
Mediations are often less expensive than trials and very often result in higher settlements. A mediation summary video is a great tool to assist in settling your cases because the facts, the documents, the witnesses, the entire storyline are presented in summary format on a high-definition DVD in just 15 to 20 minutes. CVT works with you to secure your evidence and write a creative and effective opening.
In early August, Dr. Gary Haas and his son Grant set out on a journey that was to take them from Tampa to the University of Northern Arizona, where Grant was scheduled to begin college. In the heart of Texas, on a desolate stretch of Highway 70, a father and son adventure suddenly and without warning became an American tragedy.
Tonight, shock and disbelief in Tampa among members of the medical community.
The victim of the crash, Dr. Gary Stephen Haas, a well-known physician in the Tampa Bay, Florida area. Haas was a pediatric cardiac surgeon and took part in numerous research projects. He had just turned 47 years old last week. Now here's what happened. The accident occurred just before 7 last night on Highway 70 in northern Dickens County. It's about 60 miles to the east of Lubbock. 47-year-old Dr. Gary Haas and his son, 19-year-old Grant, were traveling from Florida to Arizona at the time of this accident. DPS troopers were called to the crash site. There, troopers found Dr. Haas on the ground, ejected from a Ford Explorer. Troopers found pieces of a tire lying in the road. Troopers say the driver heard a loud pop just before the accident.
CVT edits a compilation of supporting facts, videos, depositions, and photos to emphasize the most critical evidence in your case. After highlighting the injuries, your video then proceeds with a statement of fault and provides supporting evidence or depicting animation that makes it easy to understand your claim. We then review all of the facts again and create a dynamic closing to your case, including your initial settlement demand. In this brief mediation summary video, you want to expose the facts of your case in a simple yet compelling language that not only insurance adjusters and defense attorneys understand, but that clients understand. You want all parties to realize why it's in their interest to avoid letting the case go beyond mediation. The presentation you make at a mediation goes a long way in determining the amount of money an insurance claim adjuster will offer. Your video will show and explain the evidence that a jury and judge will see if the matter is not resolved in mediation. And if your case doesn't settle with mediation, CVT will continue helping build your case and present all of the evidence in court. No more fumbling with documents while addressing a jury. No more missed opportunities to present compelling evidence. Consider the advantage of explaining your case to a jury while each video, photo, and document you refer to comes up on a screen in front of them with the most important information highlighted, enlarged, circled, or whatever you choose as you speak. Quickly call up video deposition clips for impeachments and let the jury see witnesses contradict their own statements rather than just hear someone else read back their words. For over 2 decades, CVT has traveled the globe, serving both plaintiff and defense counsel for major corporations, including our work on the defense team of a major automotive manufacturer for 10 years. CVT has played a pivotal role in winning hundreds of millions of dollars of settlements for thousands of cases, and we can help maximize your mediation and courtroom presentations. Let CVT Marketing help bring you higher demand settlements for your cases by providing liable claim summaries that opposing counsel can visualize rather than just think about as routine cases. Whether mediation before trial is court-ordered or voluntary, attorneys have a duty to their clients to maximize their potential for settling fairly and equitably, and we can assist you. Please call us today at CVT Marketing. We have the experience, knowledge, and expertise to help you gain the settlement your client demands.